Hey guys, this video is on this DIYTech pump. It's a transfer pump. It's 1/12 horsepower and it's 115 volt. Let's see what's inside here. We're gonna hook this thing up to the water heater to help it pump faster. All right, here's everything that comes in the box. Got the pump, and then this thing here, and the hose, and then this is for the, looks like the impeller for replacement parts for this thing. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and turn off the main supply to the house. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn off the water heater breaker too.
While we're draining the water heater, we got the relief valve open too. Just pop that, that's the relief valve. Just take it, here's how it was. You just wanna take it and go like that.
Okay, we're just hooking this short hose up to the water heater, and then that's gonna go to our pump here too. And it even has the flow, so it has the outlet. So we're gonna hook this short one from the water heater to this one here.
And you always look at the arrow. The way the arrow is pointing is the way the water should be going out.
Awesome.
So we'll hook.
The hose that came with this is doing us no good because what we need is male to male. We've got a male and a male here. So this is no good to us right now. What we need to do, we're gonna pull the hose off the washer. And then go male to male there. Here's our outgoing, here's our incoming. So it goes from here to here. Now all we gotta do, we got the power off to the water heater, and we've got the water main shut off too, so we're just gonna drain what's in the water heater. Don't do this without turning off the power because your elements will get goofed up. Crank this down. Now we'll just release this valve and then turn on our pump. And we never want to run this pump dry, so what we're going to do first is crack the valve and get some water running through it before we turn this thing on.
Oh yeah, we got water.
All right, now we're pumping.
Now this is working like a champ. So this is great, look at that. So this is so much better than just letting it drain by gravity. We would never get this. I gravity drained this last time without the pump and it took forever.